In this video I will discuss mastering bodyweight workouts, step-by-step guide. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of bodyweight workouts with a step-by-step guide to mastering these incredible exercises. First up, let's talk about push-ups. This classic move works your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Start in a high plank position. Lower yourself down until your chest touches the ground, and then push back up. Remember to keep your body straight and core engaged throughout. Next is the squat. This exercise targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Begin with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself into a deep squat position, and then rise back up. Squeeze your glutes at the top for added effect. Now we have lunges. This move targets your quads and glutes. Start with one leg forward in front of you. Lower down until your thigh is parallel to the ground, and then rise back up. Switch legs for an even workout. Lastly, planks are a must-have for any bodyweight workout routine. This exercise targets your ABS, obliques, and lower back muscles. Get into a high plank position with hands shoulder width apart, under shoulders and legs. Stretched out behind you in a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for as long as you can, without losing form or positioning. Recommended 30 seconds. Remember to focus on proper form for all these exercises to avoid injuries and maximize results. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide to mastering bodyweight workouts. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Stay fit and healthy.